morning, I am Rizalyn A. Kasipit, and today I will be discussing to you about the scope and sequence of physical education and health in grade 3 level up to grade 6 level. But before that, let's define first what is the meaning of scope and sequence. So according to my research, scope and sequence refers to the ideas and concepts that will be covered in a book or course within a curriculum. It comes in list format together with all the topic in order. It is also a plan intended to support the students' learning. And now, I will be discussing to you the scope and sequence of grade 3 level. The strands for grade 3 level are body management, movement skills, rhythm and dances, games and sports, and physical fitness. So, this strand is used to indicate the discipline within a learning area. For quarter 1, as we can see, we have the concept of body awareness. And this concept have two categories, the body shapes and the body actions. From the word awareness, it refers on how we maintain our proper posture and how we maintain and condition our body in shapes and in action. And next, for quarter 2, it's all about the concept of space awareness. Spatial awareness allows us to be conscious of the things that surrounds us. From the word space, it is a place where the action occurs. In this quarter, this concept is divided into 5 categories involving locations, directions, level, pathways, and plane. So, first, location, it refers where the movement takes place. Next, directions, which way the movement goes. Third, level, where the movement is located. And next, pathways, it refers to invisible patterns as movement occurs. And lastly, plane. This quarter, students must perform movement involving directions, locations, level, pathways, and plane. Location like behind, in front, under, and over. And for directions, we have forward, backward, and sideward. And level like high, medium, and low. And for pathways, we have straight, zigzag, and curve. And lastly, plane, we have horizontal patterns, vertical, and rotational. And now, let's proceed to quarter 3. In this quarter, the concept is all about the quality of effort. In this concept, it has 3 categories involving time, force, and flow. Time, which pertains how fast and slow movement is. Force, how light and heavy movement is. And lastly, flow, it is the starting point of effort. And now, let's proceed to quarter 4. The last quarter of grade 3 level, it's all about the concept of relationships. This concept covers 4 categories: person, object, sound, and environment. And now, let's proceed to grade 4 students up to grade 6 students. The strands for grade 4 up to grade 6 students are the same. The strands are all about physical fitness, games and sports, and rhythm and dance. For quarter 1 and 2, the assessment of physical activities and physical fitness of games and sports are target games, striking and fielding games, and invasion games. For example of target games include golf, archery, and billiards. And for striking and fielding games, it's all about baseball, cricket, and softball. And for invasion games, it includes football, hockey, and basketball. For quarter 3 and 4, about rhythmic and dance, the assessment of physical activities and physical fitness are folk, indigenous dance, ethnic dance, traditional, and creative dance. For example of folk dance, tinikling, pandango sa ilaw, binasuan, and many more. And indigenous dance, banga, and uyaoy dance. From traditional dances, it includes the sayaw sa bangkok and karinyosa. And for ethnic dances, it includes the binanog dance of which mimic the movement of bird. For creative dances are ballet, jazz, and contemporary dances. And for grade 5 students, the assessment of physical activities and physical fitness of games and sports are the same like in grade 4 level. For quarter 1 and 2, they will do target games, fielding games, and invasion game. But the difference is that for quarter 3, there is a wall or net game for grade 5 students. For example, wall or net game involving like badminton, volleyball, and table tennis. And for quarter 4, rhythm and dance is the same as grade 4. It's all about folk dances, ethnic dance, traditional dance, indigenous, and creative dances. Lastly, for grade 6 level, from quarter 1 to 4, the physical activities and physical fitness is the same like in the grade 4 level, like I mentioned earlier. According to the Curriculum Guide of Physical Education and Health, the scope and sequence for grade 4 up to grade 6 level are focused on health and skill enhancing activities, ensuring that they are integrative and inclusive in context. As you notice, it's all about the physical and health-related fitness intended for each student. And that's all for the day. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.